Welcome to Grey Goat Hardware. Our commercial ladder pulls provide a durable and stylish solution for glass, wood, and aluminum doors. Crafted from corrosion-resistant SS304 stainless steel, they offer modern aesthetics and reliable functionality for both indoor and outdoor applications. Our ladder pulls are designed to accommodate glass thickness from 3/8 inches to 3/4 inches and wood or aluminum doors up to 1 3/4 inches. They are available in brushed stainless, polished stainless, matte black, and satin brass finishes, ensuring a seamless fit for any design style. Proper glass, wood, or aluminum door fabrication is required for installation. Visit our website to download precise fabrication drawings and ensure accurate installation. Now, let's go through the step-by-step installation of our commercial ladder pulls. Using the provided Allen wrench, loosen the 2 set screws and slide the handle apart. This will expose the fastener securing the pull handle. Remove the fastener along with all the washers. You are now ready to install the pull handle onto the door. Insert the fastener with the components through the top hole of the glass from the exterior side of the door. Slide the remaining components onto the fastener from the other side and lightly secure without fully tightening. Now, slide the handle tube aside to place the remaining washers and fastener. Return it to its position, insert the second screw through the bottom hole, and fully secure both screws. Finally, install the exterior side of the handle. Tighten the top set fastener, followed by the bottom fastener. Confirm everything is secure and aligned. Our ladder pulls are available in a range of styles, including back-to-back ladder pulls for a symmetrical look, offset back-to-back ladder pulls for ergonomic handling, single-sided ladder pulls for a minimalistic design, square ladder pulls, SQS series, symmetrical design with a modern edge, square back-to-back ladder pulls, SQR series, clean lines for a bold contemporary look, tubular options for a modern finish. You know we also provide ADA compliance locking ladder pulls for added accessibility and security. Let's see how ADA locking ladder pull is installed. Disassemble the ladder pull by loosening the Allen set screws and removing the fastener along with the washers. Align the handle components with the glass door holes, secure them with fastener, then reassemble and tighten everything to complete the installation. Let's install a lock receiver. Drill a hole on the floor for the receiver. Once done, insert the lock receiver in the hole to complete the installation. Lastly, sauna handles. Our sauna handles are designed for high moisture environments, crafted from a satin and wood combination for a luxurious, durable finish. Available in multiple types to fit your sauna door needs. At Grey Goat Hardware, we offer custom pricing based on your project needs. The more you buy, the more you save, with exclusive quantity discounts available. Upgrade your doors with Grey Goat Hardware's commercial ladder pulls. Visit gghshardware.com to explore our full collection or contact our sales team today.